So guys, I came across this video, and it speaks a lot to our current situation in the country. Is the former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, making some serious points, and I would love that you listen to it.
If you are so ambitious, then go and do business. You cannot force me to take you to serve me. If you want to be in the state assembly and people don't want you, fine, go and sleep.
He made a statement that if you want to be in the state assembly and people don't want you, fine, go and sleep. What is the purpose of forcing yourself on the masses that don't want you there? Listen to the other part.
You want to be a governor and the people don't want you, go and sleep or do business.
If you want to be a governor and you discover people don't want you, people want someone else, just go. Let the people choose whomever they want to govern them, not imposing yourself on the masses.
But if you want to serve us as people, then you must be humble, and you will not kill us before you serve us.
If you want to serve us, if you want to serve us as a people, then you must be humble. You will not kill us before you serve us. Of course, you cannot serve the people you've killed. This is a very strong message to the ruling party, the APC, the Tinubu, and every other person that is trying to govern this country. You cannot kill the very people you're trying to serve. You cannot force yourself on the people. You cannot force yourself on the masses and claim you want their interests. No, it doesn't happen that way. So let the masses decide. Let the ballot box decide who they want him to govern, not you trying to impose yourself against the will of the masses. That is no longer politics. When it happens like this, it's no longer politics. So this is a strong message to anybody that is contesting this election in 2027. If you want to govern the people and the people don't want you, go and sleep. If you want to be the president, you want to be the governor, you want to be in the state House of Assembly, Federal House of Assembly, in the Senate, and your people say, no, we don't want you, what is the purpose of forcing yourself on the people? Just let the masses decide. In a free and fair country where election is done properly, you discover that the level of development will be very high, because it is the masses that decides who comes in and who goes out. So if you are in that position, you will be mandated to do the will of the people, and of course the will of the people will be to serve them. So if you know that if you don't perform well, the people will send you packing, you're left with no other option than to serve the people. But in a situation where you force yourself into the power without considering the will of the people, you will discover that you do anyhow, just anyhow you want. The reason being that it was your might that brought you there. So the simple thing and the strongest message I can get from this short clips from the former president is, just let the masses decide who they want to govern them. Thank you. This is Sabastine Charles. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on X at Sava for Nigeria. Thank you very much.